Hi, Emmanuel here with T2S, and T2S stands for Transformed to Succeed. In this video, I'll be talking about what we call SNS, and the SNS stands for Simple Notification Service. Simple Notification Service. This is one of the services that you find on AWS. And AWS, that's Amazon. If you're not familiar with that, Amazon Web Services. So the kind of like a higher level overview of SNS is that first of all, you have topics. You create a topic, so that's the first one, and then this topic will allow it's going to allow multiple subscribers to receive messages that you publish to that topic. So you create a topic, so that would be number one. The first thing that you do, you have to create a topic, and then to this topic you will have subscribers. You're gonna have subscribers to this topic. So you have subscribers, and these subscribers could be it could be anybody. It could be anything. It could be a phone number. So you have phone number. It could be an email. You can use an email address. All right, so this is what you do. So first you create a topic. So this is the first thing that you do. You create a topic, and then second, you subscribe to that topic. So that's kind of like the process. So number one, you create a topic. So create a topic. And then number two, you subscribe. You subscribe to the topic. All right. So you have subscribers. They'll be subscribing to the topic here. And this is kind of like the higher level architecture when it comes to SNS. And this is what you need to know about SNS. This is how it works. So when you go to the management console, create topic first, and then configure your subscription method that you want to use, and then subscribe to that topic. You either using a phone number or using an email address. Now, so let's go to the next thing here. So now, what you need to also understand is that you can use use cases of SNS. There's so many use cases for SNS. You can use it for, I would say, use cases here. Use cases. So it's going to be use cases here. So number one, you can use it for alerts. You can use it for alerts plus monitoring. You can use it for alert plus monitoring. And that could be, most people, they use it for that. Like, let's say there is an alarm that says, hey, somebody's doing something. All right, so you want one person or more than one person on the team to be notified about that specific change, which captures maybe a metric. Let's say it's a VM, a virtual machine, or an application that's failing. Then you have already configured your infrastructure to send out a notification to one of the developers so that they can receive either They can receive either a text message like SMS, or they can receive an email. And then some of these things you can also configure to work with applications such as Slack. Every time there is a warning or a failure or something, then it goes to a specific Slack channel, right? So you can play with that. That's one use, or that's one use case that I know of that I've used in some of my work environments. So that's pretty much what you need to know about SNS. Let's go to the website quick here. So we're gonna go to our management console here. So we're here and search for, here we're gonna search for SNS. Just type SNS and then you're gonna find it here. Simple notification service. Click there. And if you click there, you see the next step here is to create your first topic. You can enter the topic name here. So, or you can go here, go to the dashboard. It's gonna say, okay, so I already have a couple of topics here. So I'm gonna delete those. This is how you delete it. You delete topics. You're gonna delete this one too. It looks like I can't delete this one here. All right, so click here, create, and you create topic. You have two options here, the types, like this, first in, first out. And remember that you see here, it's using the SQS. This is simple queuing service, and we will not cover that in this video. We'll do it in a different video. What we want to do is use the standard and look at the protocols here. So they include SQS, Lambda, HTTP, SMS, you know, that's message, phone messages, email, and also mobile application endpoints. So you do that and then give it a name here. I'm gonna call it T2S SNS topic demo. I mean, you can just give it that whatever name you can think of for now. So I'll do that. All right, so this is the name that I'm choosing. The display name, it's optional. If you want to do that, you can encrypt your you can encrypt your in transition data. So meaning that every time there's movement of data using this protocol here, you can choose to encrypt it if you want to, for another layer of security, which I'm not going to do at this point. You can also do some access policy configuration here. It's optional, meaning that you give some people permission to so let me do this here. So by default, only topic owner can publish or subscribe to the topic. So you can change that if you want to, but I will not do that. I will just leave basic here. So use the default data protection policy, and again, this is optional. So what it does, it defines which sensitive data that you need to monitor and prevent from being exchanged via topic. Here you have add a custom data identifier. So you're gonna if you click here, you get a little bit of information here. In order to use the custom data identifier, you must provide details for both fields, name and regex. Please adhere to the following rules, and these are the rules if you wanna do that, and which I will not do. I will just say basic, so you keep it as default here. Everything else, don't change it. Do not change it. Just click create topic. And what we have done, we have created our topic. After creating the topic, remember the process is you create a topic and then you create a subscription. And click here, select your, you're gonna have to select first your topic, and here I happen to have two, so I'll select this one here. And next, you select the protocol. What protocol do you want to use? Do you want to use an email? Do you want to use an SMS? Let's do email here. So we're going to use email. And when you use email, you're going to have to add the endpoint, meaning an email address that can receive notifications from SNS. So it's like the destination or the recipient email. And here I'm gonna just do T2S Cloud here. And then after I do that, you're gonna have to, you see here, you're gonna have to, after a subscription is created, you have to confirm it, meaning you go to your email inbox and then confirm that. All right, so you do that, and next what you need to do, just click on create subscription. So you've created your subscription. And if you look at this dashboard here, what you see here, you see the status says pending confirmation, and this is the protocol that we're using for this specific topic. What you need to do is to go to this endpoint, which is our email address, inbox, and when you get there, then you just have to confirm, and this is what we are going to do. So here's my inbox, and I have one email here, right? So I have one email here, and I'm gonna click on AWS notification. You see here, right? Yeah, see there, and I'll just click there, and to open my email, which may probably have to make it a little bit bigger. Let me see here. So I'm gonna do zoom in. Okay, so I'm gonna do zoom in. So I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. So this is the email from AWS. So you're gonna receive this. This is your endpoint, T2S here. This is the endpoint, the address there, and then what you only need to do is just click confirmation here. You click there, it's gonna take you to a new window on your browser to say that you have successfully confirmed your subscription. So you are subscribed, and this is the ARN, and if you want, you can unsubscribe here. All right, so let's go back now to our website here. So we are back here. If you refresh this, at this point it's saying status pending confirmation, and what I need to do, just click here to refresh, reload the page, and you're gonna see the status has changed from pending confirmation to confirmed. So we have subscribed to our topic. We have subscribed to our topic, and that's pretty much how creating a topic and subscribing. works. So the next thing that you're gonna have to do is now to integrate this into some other services. Like, let's say if there is a change on a given service on AWS, how do you connect? How do you integrate that service or the SNS into that infrastructure? And that's something that we'll talk about. And then we've talked. I think I have a video taking care of that, and it should be a video on how do you use Python and Terraform to manage your EC2 instances. I'll make sure that I attach that video, the link to that video in the notes. It should be in the notes as you watch this video. And I'm gonna say this is the end of our demo. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.